nail desk shopping. So excited. We are headed over to Ikea. Hopefully we're gonna find a desk with some drawers, and I wanna get some organizations to put inside of it as well. Are you excited? I am. You ready? Let's go. We are about an hour, a little over an hour from Ikea, so the scenery is definitely gonna change. Okay, so we have made it to Ikea. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Ooh!
Last time I did this was the last time we went to Ikea.
I know. Are you doing a scavenger hunt? That's so cool. They're doing like a kid's scavenger hunt today. Oh my gosh, y'all. I love this place. I'm so excited to be here. Freaking out. Oh my gosh, where do we even start?
Looks like we never looked at these before.
We didn't. Oh my gosh, we're over there. Those are like, that's where all the kids stuff is.
Let's look at this one.
This is so great. Whoa.
Take a selfie at the what?
Take a selfie? What is it? Take a selfie? Oh, what are you supposed to do? A selfie at the Ikea Frisco selfie wall on the second floor. Okay, where's the selfie? I love these plants. I'm gonna get totally distracted on what I'm here for.
Yeah, Mom.
But hey, it's decorations for the nail desk.
Yeah.
Right?
We should get some decorations for the nail desk.
Yeah, we totally do.
I remember filming.
Okay, so here is the selfie wall. Right here, Abby. Abigail, right here. All right, quick, get a picture, cheese. This is the tray. I definitely want to get one of these. So we're gonna see what colors they have.
You know what? I think they have a green. I know they have a green.
Yeah, they have a green. Oh, they have like
this?
trays inside. That's kind of cool. So that way it doesn't like stuff fall through.
Yeah, but I think you have to buy that separately.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So here is one of the desks. So you can get the top for 35 and the bottom for 34. So it's 69, but it's not really what I'm looking for. I think I want to put some drawers underneath it because I want to be able to, yeah, it's definitely too wide. Because if I have someone on the other side doing nails, we are both gonna have to reach. This is definitely not gonna work. Okay, so I definitely want to get one of these utility carts. Huh? Oh, they're magnetic. Check this out. Oh, no, are they?
Yeah,
No, they're put together.
They are?
They're put together right here. They're not stuck. They're not magnetic.
I want this one.
Okay, so where do we get these from? Okay, so this is $29. They also have these.
These are a little wider, so you
These
can
are
get more stuff.
Yeah, these are more like rectangle shaped.
I like the other ones better. They're a couple dollars more for the other ones.
Yeah, they're cuter.
Which ones? Those?
Yeah, those over there are super
Yeah,
cute.
these got tiny wheels too.
Those do have smaller wheels. I think the other one's gonna be more durable. This lamp right here would be really good, just like for a desk lamp, and then you could have some bright lights, you know, when you are doing your nails. But I want to see how bright it is, so that's the only thing. I don't know how bright it is. This would be a good size desk, and I love the drawers that go with it.
I love the no-handle drawers.
Yeah, I love it too. Like it just opens so easily. And this is small enough. So this is the linen top, and you get the shelf unit. I'm guessing that's gonna be this. And then a leg adjustment and connecting hardwire. Okay. And also like this does, I know this is a desk pad, but I think that would be good just to protect the desk. Then we also have this tabletop here. This one is really, really sturdy. And it's 51 inches by 27. And then the underframe is 70. But this top is really durable, so I like that. Okay, so this is more or less what I was sort of thinking, but different. I like these shelving right here. So, because see, these can definitely fit like bigger bottles here. I do like these different sizes. These are a little bit deeper drawers, and then these are going to be thinner ones. Oh, I love this. So, that's going to be the Alex drawer unit. And the linen tabletop. Love it! Yeah. Oh, we also found some other little drawers. These are cute. But it's definitely not, like, totally not sturdy. So here's the build your tables over here. So these are really nice, but I love the black. Absolutely love the black. But I think we're gonna go with the white. This is too long. That one is too short. Here are the sizes back here, but I'm not seeing that medium size. I wanna check out the medium size. Let's see if we can find that. So if you are just looking for a super small desk, like this would be great, children's desk or just a small desk, you can get this whole thing for like $24. This top's only $8, and then each of these legs are $4, I think. That would be really great if you just want something small like that. So if you're going for the white, that's that small one. This is the size I think I'm gonna get, the 47-inch. This is just too big. I don't want it sticking out from where I'm gonna put it. So I guess we're gonna get this one, $22, and I'm gonna get the 2 Alex drawers to put underneath. I get so overwhelmed in this place. It's like, and it's Saturday and it's so busy, but there's so much to look at. Like, I know, if only you were so little.
This is so, no, I kind of like this tiny bed.
I know, but look how fast you would outgrow it. It's so cute though. It's a little girl's room.
Hey Mom, look at this. Oh, Mom, come here. Come here.
Sorry.
Look.
Oh my gosh, how fun. Alright, so we finished the scavenger hunt. Tell us what you got.
I got this little mouse ladybug thing.
Yeah, that was fun, wasn't it? Yeah.
And I got a bear with very sharp claws.
Oh my gosh, look how cute those lights are. I love those. Oh, and I love the drapes in the back. That is so cute. So I wanted to get a small little plant to put on my desk. Abby, which plant should I get?
Flowers to go
Those,
with nail art.
That is so cute. I like the black. That would be cute. That one's cute too. Like those. Yeah, these are, oh, those are those 4-packs or 3-pack.
I have these in my room.
Yes, and they look cute. Oh, and they've got some flowering pots right there.
These are cute.
I like those too.
You know what, Mom? You need to make your clients feel like they're in the jungle.
In the jungle. Yeah,
Which
my
is-
clients.
Yeah, that's me.
I know it's you. I love the succulent. What a great choice, Abigail.
See?
Yep. Look at that. I love it. Hey, what do y'all think for the desk? Is that cute? Or
This one.
that one's cute too.
This one's so cute. Or you can get these,
I know.
which it comes with 3 for.
It does come with 3. Now we have to go find that desk. I have no idea how to do this. This is going to be a challenge. Okay, so here is the tabletop I'm gonna get, aisle 812.
Look, they're out of stock. Oh no, Mom, what are you gonna do?
So I just went to go get everything that we needed, and unfortunately they're out of the Alex drawers, and they're not gonna get them in stock till like later on this month, so we're gonna have to come back and get everything.
What is that noise?
Don't know. I'm running over stuff. Oh my God, it's the crate.
You ran over a crate.
Oh my God, the brand new crate.